Hello students, I am going to discuss about the states of matter. First of all, we should discuss about the matter. What is matter? Everything which is all around us, which we can see and feel or see or feel. For example, many things around us like book, paper, water, air, all the things, the book, paper and water we can see and feel them, and for the air we can feel them. All these things or have, they occupy some space and they have some mass and they offer some resistance. So these all things are known as the matter. So we can define the matter as the anything which we can anything which occupy space, have some mass and offers some resistance is known as matter. Now some important characteristics of the matter. Main important characteristic of matter is particulate, means it consists of tiny particles, and these particles have some intermolecular space or interparticle spaces. On the basis of arrangement of these particles, matter occurs in different states. There are five states are known. Five states of matter are known. These are solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and BEC. It is the Bose-Einstein condensate. So the first state of matter is the solid. We know that matter consists of particles. Suppose this is a matter, it consists of small particles. In the solid, the arrangement of particles are very close to each other and these particles are compactly packed like this. These are the particles and there are some spaces between these particles. This is the interparticle space or intermolecular space. So first we can say that the particles in the solid are compactly packed. Compactly packed, so they have, why they are compactly packed? Because they have a larger intermolecular force of attraction. They have the intermolecular force of attraction is high. Due to high intermolecular force of attraction, they have very less interparticle spaces. As we know that the particles are compactly packed due to high force of attraction between them and due to less interparticle spaces, the solids have the density very high. Due to high density and compactly packing arrangement of particles, the solids have the property of the rigidity. The solids have high rigidity, but they have the very less fluidity. Fluidity is the property to flow, so the particles are closely packed, so they can't flow very easily, so they have the less fluidity. Each of the particle have a particular energy, so they have the energy to move. This energy is known as the kinetic energy. So each particle have particular kinetic energy. In the solids, these molecules are compactly packed, so they have very less kinetic energy. Particles have less kinetic energy. Next property is the compressibility. Compressibility is the compress the solids by applying pressure. If we take any solid material inside a container and when we apply some pressure by using some piston, this is the piston. When we apply some pressure on the solids have very less intermolecular gaps. So if we apply pressure, we can compress the solid, or we can come closer the molecules, at least the distance which they have intermolecular spaces between them. So we can say that these are very less compressible. Due to their rigidity and due to their compactly packing arrangement, the solids have the definite shape and definite volume and definite mass. But we can change their definite shape and definite volume there by applying small heating. If we apply some heat on the solid materials, we can change their shape and volume very less. Means we can say that by small heating there is very small change in the shape and volume of solids, but their mass could not be changed. So these are the properties of the first state of matter, that are the solids. Examples of some solids are like any of the iron block, copper wires, these are solids, and many things around us like book, paper, pen, chalk. These are the solids. They have the compactly packing arrangement of the solids or the particles.